symmetrical. I'm gonna try to build this up just a little bit and get it to where it's a little more even coming across. It's not much, maybe an 1/8 inch or something. I'm just gonna try it and see if it'll work. I'm not a welder, so it's ought to be interesting. There, so you kind of see what we're doing. It's just going to take forever. I'll have a couple hours per side. I'm sure you can still see where we moved it out. We'll get rid of all that. I think it's going to look pretty dang good, though. Not bad. Just several more hours left. Yeah. Freaking cool. And I'm just kind of routing this out now. if I pound this on and get it down in there, you're not going to see this side right here, which I want you to see because that's going to be yellow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a good fit, and then I'm going to kind of scrub like a 1/4 inch around it, and then kind of taper it down. Got this, and it's pretty much dry. I'm going to let it cure out though overnight. I've got him taped up. Going to do the bright yellow. Going over it now to kind of blend in with this. And I'll show you what it is when we get done. Alright, got the first coat on. Not too bad. We'll let that dry up and we'll get a second coat on. I think it's going to be pretty cool. Alright, we got this beat in. Looks pretty decent. Once this kind of dries, I'm going to cut this off. Real happy with that. Probably going to paint the ends of this one black, the ends of the actual handle, and then paint the wedge the yellow. Take off all the stuff and then start on the wrap and a little bit of fill in, and yeah, we're pretty much done. I'm liking it. You know, the funny thing is I'm putting all these coats on here to make it hard and tough and durable and all that, and this thing will be like all my guns. It'll be a safe queen, except it'll be a wall queen. It'll be hanging up. All right, here's what we ended up with. It's got the rubber grip. Come out pretty nice. Don't look too bad. But I mean, that's not a bad Batman weapon. And also made this nice little bat hook. I'm gonna mount that up, and that way I can hang him up on it. But what would happen? Who has the best weapons, Batman or the Joker? I'm gonna guess the Joker. Just saying. I think the Joker would win that battle. Hope y'all enjoyed.